Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi Q7 Black Edition 55 TFSIe Quattro tiptronic. This particular model is finished in the stunning Mythos black metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. This being the Black Edition, you get some signature black styling packages including the window surrounds and roof bars, the side panels on the doors and the elements of the front and rear bumpers. Under the bonnet is the 3-litre V6 parallel hybrid engine producing 375 brake horsepower and 600 Nm of torque. On the front we have these fabulous LED headlights with LED daytime running lights giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners these 21-inch Audi Sport 10-spoke star design alloy wheels finished in gloss black with a diamond cut finish, offering a lovely contrast to that black metallic paintwork. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened with the touch of the button on the key fob or the boot lid itself. This reveals plenty of storage space for your everyday essentials, weekend away luggage and weekly family shop. This vehicle also comes with a deployable tow bar for those that want to tow or trailer. The interior is finished in full Valcona leather in black for maximum luxury, with centre armrests and dual cup holders and tri-zone climate control so the rear passengers can set their own temperature. All three of the rear seats come with Isofix points so you can safely and securely travel up to 3 child seats in the rear of this vehicle. Moving into the front we have the flat bottom S-Line leather multifunction steering wheel, Audi virtual cockpit, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossed in at the top, and they are fully electrically adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier, and the driver's seat has 2 levels of preset option available to you if you have multiple drivers. The Audi virtual cockpit is configurable using the left side of the multifunction steering wheel. On the right is your volume and voice control, so mid-journey phone calls and radio station changes, and underneath to the left you have your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation. Underneath the climate control is the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, and as this vehicle comes with adaptive air suspension it will raise and lower itself depending on what option you choose. You also get the rear view camera with front and rear parking sensors to make parking all the easier, especially in those tight supermarket car parks. And with this being a plug-in hybrid you get the EV mode button, which gives you different options to choose from, whether it's fully electric, battery charge or battery hold for when you're driving. With the dual zone climate control both driver and passenger can be at different temperatures, or you can synchronise them if you're in the car on your own, and both front seats have 3 levels of heat to them, which is perfect for those colder winter mornings. Thank you for watching this video on the approved used Audi Q7 Black Edition 55 TFSIe Quattro tiptronic, which is available at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions or queries, do not hesitate to get in contact with our sales team or simply come on down to the showroom and take a look at it for yourself.